Yes. Hey guys, so I'm out on a little late night adventure. My friend is in the city and I'm about to meet her. And I just came from work. Good thing I did my makeup pre-game before going in. So we're going to see her right now. Just sit tight. Okay, guys, I'm in Jessica's room. We're doing the damn thing. Let me show you guys the view before I get lost and just start having a good time. Because when I like to have fun, I put my phone down. But look at this shit. Have you seen a big city like this? Like, for real. All the windows, balconies are usually secured and locked up. This is the only place I know out here that has the balcony, like, you can, like, come out.
Shake that ass.
I think I'm in some places in New York. Let me not put my phone. Oh my God,
Dude, don't drop your phone.
I'm scared. Look at that. That's so far.
Look at the Brigantine Bridge.
Yes. It looks so different. What's that part? Wow. That's that part. Okay. Okay.
It's a little hot in here.
All right.
I'm not turning none of that shit. Fuck wrong with you?
We got guys playing PlayStation. Need some light out here. Can't see nothing.
You said it's hot, you turned on the air.
I didn't know better. I knew better to step on it over that step. Oh, and they got a nice ass camera. Now give. So guys, this is my look for tonight. I just threw on after work ensemble because a bitch wasn't trying to think too much, and I just knew I had to wear a different coat than that geeky coat I always wear at work. So the coat is what makes me fabulous, but really I take it off from wearing all black. Wearing all. It's all good. And just got her baby doll shirt on. Crazy girl. Ah! Yes. So, okay. We about to do grown folk business, and I'll get back with you guys. Alright, hold on, y'all. This is Snapchat. I gotta put my hat on. I'm about to put it on the video. Hold on. Can you? Oh, it's high.
Ashley, stop. You're.
She's not even in the car. Oh my gosh. Happy New Year, guys. I hope everybody stays safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, no mess.
Come on, Steve, do that shit.
Do it, do it. Oh, go ahead, do that. Go ahead, do that. Happy New Year. Ooh. Happy New Year. Clear gun.
Fireworks. Come here, Tyler.